मैंने खानदान के लिए रात का खाना पकाया।
I cooked dinner for the family. I cooked dinner for the family.
आपके मज़मून का इख्तिताम मुबहम था।
The conclusion of your essay was confusing. The conclusion of your essay was confusing.
मैंने अपनी साइकिल का चेन लॉक खोल दिया।
I undid the chain lock of my bicycle. I undid the chain lock of my bicycle.
इसने सुबह के वक्त अदायगी कबूल कर ली।
He accepted the payment by daybreak. He accepted the payment by daybreak.
मैं नीचे तक खाने में चला गया।
I went down to the basement. I went down to the basement.
इसे मुल्क का सदर मुकर्रर किया गया।
She was appointed as the president of the country. She was appointed as the president of the country.
मैं आपकी इज्जत हासिल करने जा रहा हूँ।
I am going to gain your respect. I am going to gain your respect.
इसने स्कूल में टॉप तालिब इल्म होने का दबाव महसूस किया।
He felt the pressure of being the top student in school. He felt the pressure of being the top student in school.
लाइब्रेरी को कल तक असर 9 तरतीब दिया जाए।
The library should be reorganized by tomorrow. The library should be reorganized by tomorrow.
वो पहाड़ की चोटी पर चढ़ गया।
He climbed to the top of the mountain. He climbed to the top of the mountain.